Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the main motherboard flex connector on the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic cup pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, take out the back cover and then take out the logic board cover with the pad by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, take out the bottom cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, take out the not working main flex connector from the body. First, disconnect the main flex connectors from the bottom charging board. The left side main flex plug connects with the LCD plug. Gently separate the cable to free it from the charging port board. And then disconnect the main flex plug from the logic board to pull out the not working cable from the body. Next, place and secure the main flex plug on the body. Gently secure plugs to the bottom section and then secure the plug to the logic board. Next, place and secure the cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place and secure the logic board cover by adding 8 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or any double-sided backer adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.